Welcome to this video on the Material Transaction Wizard average costing. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to download some average costs. We just download here using the average cost download source. We're going to use the download form, and using the form allows us to use criteria. So in this example here we choose our inventory organization. Also choose the category set, and then we choose the category that's been assigned to that item. There's a standard flex field here, so we can choose a value, we can look at combinations, etc. In this case we're going to choose computers and see what combinations are available. And we'll just choose the first one on the list here. We're also going to choose our cost group and download the data. Go across here to the right, we'll see our different items with the cost group. The default accounts for the material, overhead, resource, outside processing, and overhead. Across to the cost elements. We're going to put our transaction type in at this stage. So we're just going to put a date in that we know is valid for the accounting period, and we're choosing average cost update as our type of transaction, and we're just going to use an account alias here. You can see the segments there from the alias. In this case here, we're going to do the updates to these items at the item level rather than the sub-element level. So we'll put our values in over here with a new average cost. And we'll do a % change for a cost on these next two line items. For the other items, we're actually going to have a look at the element level. So we're going to put in our new costs here for the elements. So in this case here, we're looking at the resource and the overhead. And you can use a formula. We're also going to add an element. So you simply just add an element that's further up with an item. You can just do an insert row with Excel. And in this case here, we're just going to add the material overhead. And that's our new element. So because we have one header here, we're going to upload the one header, and it's going to do all the different lines. We're going to use processing online as our mode, and we're going to do the validate and upload in one action. And we'll upload these records. And you'll notice here we've got an error, and it's telling us that there's an error here at the header section, and we've got an invalid cost charge associated with one of the line items. And if we do a refresh, we'll find out which one's actually been hit by this. And we can see here that we actually have a total value of 0 against this line item, and it doesn't have a new average cost either. So we're just going to put a value in here, and we're just going to upload the selected row. You'll notice the other rows have been loaded already, so it's only uploading this one row. And you can see the data is now refreshed. And that's how you do average cost updates.